What's up, legends? Mark from Legendary Makes. This is going to be the last video on this channel. We've got a new channel. I'm going to put that in the link below, a new account. And as you can see behind me, we've got a new 3D print farm and studio. Let's give you guys a quick rundown of what we got over here. We got our two Bambu Lab A1 printers here. We got the AMS system down there. I still need to put together. I need to figure out a racking system like I got for these guys for the spools. A brand new P1S, another brand new P1S over there. This is our shipping station. We've got plenty of storage under here. It's a little messy right now. I do need to work on getting some organizational stuff in these cubbies. That's going to be coming soon on the channel. Same thing with here. And then up here we have our filament hangout. All the unopened filament is up here. Packing materials up there. Down here, air purifier. Over here, open spools of filament. And see if we can pan all the way over here. The other P1S we just mentioned, two more Bambu Lab A1 printers, and then I've got another AMS2 system that I want to put on here. I need to develop or make some sort of rack, so I'll definitely be designing that in Fusion. So come on over to the new channel. We'll get into that one of these days here, and hopefully I'll have a rack and I can stack both on top of each other, and then I can have up to 8 colors. Also got air ventilation down here. This is set to exhaust, so I can create some negative air pressure in here to exhaust out any fumes. I primarily print in PETG and PLA, so it's not that big a deal, but you never know. Secondary air filter. We've got our commercial printer here for when we make our inserts. More storage down here. Trash can, which isn't a big deal. The original spool holder I made, that video was on here. I'm going to port this video over to the new channel. And then this is just my studio setup. So that's where I do all my editing. That's where I do all of my designing and stuff like that. Up here, we've got storage. So it's all a bunch of storage. I have more space up here. This is all the old crypto mining stuff. And if you're wondering if I'm still going to be doing crypto related content, oh, let's not skip this. Nice little shelf area I made over here for boxes, shipping box and all that sort of stuff. And this stool is to get up into this closet here if I'm going to use these spaces up here. And it is also for reaching up there because that is just out of reach on that very, very top shelf for me. And back to the, am I going to be making 3D, or no, not 3D. I'm going to be making 3D printing content, but crypto content, yes and no. YouTube hates crypto. YouTube is censoring crypto channels. So we are full-blown 3D printing channel on the other site, but I still will be working on projects that are crypto related. We still have the BC250 cluster and shroud. Still been selling those. I have a revision of those coming up pretty soon, which should blow the other ones away because it's going to look much nicer, more refined. Still going to be printing different types of shrouds like the CMP 210s. Still be doing stuff like that. I still have some motherboard stuff I'm interested in making, like the motherboard stacker video that was on this channel, and just a bunch of stuff like that. So I will be branching off into other areas, but it won't be solely just crypto anymore, but it'll be sprinkled in. So if any of that is interesting to you, come follow me on the other channel, Legendary Makes. This one has been changed to Legendary Makes 1, so I could keep the same name and branding. But like I said, it's Legendary Makes. I'll put the link in the description, and I'd love for you to come hang out sometime. All right, legends. We won't see you again.